Did you know the world's most expensive yacht is worth more than some countries' economies? It's called the History Supreme. This ultra-luxury yacht is estimated to cost around $4.8 billion. The yacht is reportedly covered with over 100,000 kilograms of gold and platinum. Even the dining area walls and anchor are designed using precious metals, and the master bedroom. It is said to feature a wall made from meteorite rock and even dinosaur bone fragments. The yacht was allegedly designed for a Malaysian billionaire and took years to complete.